Drift handling in machine learning is very important concept. But before diving deep into what is drift and how that will impact our model performance, first let's try to see what happens in production once you'll deploy your model. So here in this diagram, you can see that the accuracy of my model has declined over time, right? And at certain point of time, the model would not be fit for purpose. And we might need to take some corrective action to resolve that issue. And that can happen due to multiple factors, right? So the first thing which we need to understand is about data drift. What is data drift? So data drift talks about a shift in distribution of my input variable. So whenever we train our model, we use input variable and we fit a machine learning model, and my machine learning model will understand the pattern based on the data. But once the distribution of my data gets changed, the model behavior will also change. So take an example. If, say for example, I am predicting the credit spend for credit card company, right? Credit spend, right? And in my training data, we have one field called purchase amount. And in training data, I have purchase amount which falls under this distribution. And we can see that the mean of my purchase amount is 100. But once we deploy our model in production, somehow the purchase amount distribution has changed from 100 to 200. And you can also see the spread has been reduced. And most of the values falls between these two range. And here you can see that in the input data, we have longer spread, right? And if the credit spend prediction depends upon the purchase amount, then that will impact the performance of a model. So here, just take an example. Initially, my learn function, this one, was simple straight line. And using that straight line, we would be able to predict the behavior of the credit spend. But once the distribution of the purchasing amount has changed, and you'll see the lots of value here, the true function would be something like this, the red line. And you can see the learn function, which would be dependent on the change behavior of input data, would be a bit different to what we had trained during model training. And that could be the cause of your model degradation, because the pattern of purchase amount has been changed. And the change in purchasing amount for customer could be due to different factors, right? Due to some government policies or some environmental factors. The capacity to purchase any product of customer has been increased. And if that could happen, then that will impact your model performance, because historical data does not represent that shift in data. So here you can see that I have simply denoted that change in behavior with the help of this notation. So Px represents the distribution of my input variable is not same as the distribution of my test or production data. But the problem is same. We are not saying that the relationship between my target and input has been changed. It's same, but the distribution of my input variable has changed. So whenever that will happen, that's an indication of data drift.